Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into a crucial workflow efficiency topic: how to split Trello cards into multiple tasks. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you need to open your Trello card. This is where all the information and tasks related to a project are usually stored. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Checklist button. This helps us because it enables us to divide the major task into smaller, manageable tasks. Following this, you'll need to add items to your checklist. These items represent the individual tasks that make up the main Trello card. The reason we do this is to clearly define each task and keep track of progress in a systematic way. Next up, assign these individual tasks to different members of your team. This is done by clicking on the Members button and selecting the appropriate team member for each task. This step is important because it ensures that each task is undertaken by the most suitable person, increasing efficiency and overall productivity. Finally, set a due date for each task. You can do this by clicking on the Due Date button next to each task. This helps us because it keeps the project on track and ensures that the tasks are completed in a timely manner. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to split a Trello card into multiple tasks. This is a great way to keep your team organized and your projects on track. Remember, the key to success is in efficient and clear task management. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.